Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you this Maggie Holmes Garden Party kit that I created, and it looks like so. This kit has like beautiful elements that I created myself and also some elements that are from the collection, but I put in some selections of those. So yeah, I cannot wait to start sharing it with you. This kit, as you will see, is already sold, but it's also available on request. So let's start and dig in. This is the first item, which is the sticker book, and this one comes in with 4 sheets, and these are the sheets that are in this kit. Beautiful, with gorgeous bunny as well. This one with the black and white. This is the flower set. And the last one has the stickers, and the stickers are also possible to put them here and there in the frames. So this is for the first item, and of course it will come attached as you will receive it. Put this one aside. Then I'm so excited to share with you some items that I created myself, which is this box. And inside the box there's a handmade flower, and it looks like so. Really gorgeous dimensional flower with beautiful cardstock. And again, this is just possible to reuse the whole thing again for yourself. So it comes with this. And another gorgeous box that I created is this one. And in this box there are several pieces. And let me try to share them one by one. First of all, you have a quote that says "bloom" inside. Then I'll take them all out and share them with you one by one. You have some little trinkets and tassels, sort of a cupcake, that's also in the theme. So some flowers there, just some little trinkets there for you to use in the with your kids. Let me put this one aside. Then I'll share with you this gorgeous piece as well, which is a beautiful piece that you can cut apart. All these pieces can be cut apart and then use on your project. Then I have a piece of mesh here. This mesh has some beautiful dotted print. Quite a piece, so like a half a yard of this. Also some super cute trims and lace trim there. Some yarn, some twine, baker's twine. Again, a beautiful piece there of laces, braided trim here. So that's for those. Then on beautiful cardstock, watercolor cardstock, I have these 3 images, and these are so perfect for this collection as well. And they have a very intricate cut there. I did them with my machine, but these are so perfect as well for this collection. Put this inside. Oh, this is the last one, the last flower there. Then I also created 2 elements for you to play with. A beautiful teapot and a slice of a cake. there, which is embossed again. This is also embossed with gold. So that's for this. So this will be all in this super cute box here for you to use. Then I'll go to this side, which will show you these beautiful cupcakes that I made. And these cupcakes are all embossed, powder embossed. And this one has white finishing. This is pink, gold, and greenish, yeah, sort of a minty green. So they all fit perfect with the garden party collection. Then I also created some heat embossed golden hearts, and some of them have like a layering there of a glitter, as well as this one has some details, and other ones are just heat embossed with the golden powder. It's like so. Then from the collection itself, 2 pieces of the washi tape, a wide one, approximately like an inch wide, and then yeah, this one is like the half of it. So these 2 are also in this kit. And let me try to share this one with you as well, which is this one. And this is a bundle of trims, and all these trims are perfect for, yeah, just adding it to the touches and to the edges, to the pockets, to whatever project you are working on with this collection. This is just perfect. So that's for that. Then I also added some hand crocheted pieces, and this is a frame, and inside there's a tucked in a beautiful flower, and so these were separate pieces. So this is also different in the kits. This one is especially for this kit. That's kit number 1. Then I also cut up pieces of the roll, the sticker roll, and this is just a perfect size, because this is how it will repeat itself. So on the roll you have like 8 times this one and like 7 times this part. So you have of the sticker roll, you have both of the pieces in this kit. Then a special added element as well that I created myself, this beautiful flower. As you know, there's also a possibility to buy the sticker, the layered sticker, flower stickers that a garden party has. But I created my own yeah, sort of style of that sticker, but then yeah, exclusively for you for this kit. So that's for that. Then a whole set of the gorgeous puffy stickers. So a lot of you know those as well. These are so beautiful. I just love them. And also one side of the sticker sheet, which is the thicker. And I selected this one to put in this kit number 1 with the teacups, with this, and you will see this one again in a special part that piece that I created as well for this kit. So this is the side that you will get in this kit. So as I mentioned, I have created some items myself, which are these frames and this beautiful, yeah, inspired by the garden kit collection. Yeah, these are pieces that will be exclusively for you in this kit again, like so. I also put in a beautiful vellum sheet that has a beautiful words, quotes on those. So yeah, perfect for you to add on. And a set of faux leather bows in 2 different sizes. Again with the beautiful colors. And in this cute pocket, I have the selection of the ephemera pieces, and these are as well as vellum pieces, as cardstock pieces. So for this kit, I put in this one, beautiful rose, another rose, this one, and then for the cardstock pieces, that's this one, this one, and these 2. So these are just a perfect pick of the very beautiful elements that are in the kit, and I try to assemble them all that it will fit perfect with all the items that you already have in this kit. And I also created this one, which is also a layered up flower that fit perfect in the collection as well. So these are also perfect and unique pieces to add on to your creations, like so. Then for the garden party stickers, and these are 86, did I say it? 60, yeah, 86, 68 pieces. I'm always turning those letters around, those these 2 around. So yeah, this is also the sticker sheet, and it has the back. So there's a full sticker, 68 stickers that's coming your way, like so. And also a super cute piece of enamel dots that fit perfect, as you can see, with the collection. And then we go to the chipboard piece, which is this. So the chipboard is like so, and you'll see this beautiful and yeah, just gorgeous elements there going on, and I just love the collection. So this is a full chipboard piece. Then in this part, I also added a specialty paper, which is the only one that I have right now. So if you're interested, please let me know, because I have to order them on time for you. So this is the printed vellum. As you can see, it has a beautiful flower there that is also available in the ephemera kit. Then I wanted to share with you the papers. So this is the paper. These are all double-sided papers, and this one is called Cottages and Greenhouses. And this is the back. And I also wanted to give you some elements that you can cut apart. So this is the garden stroll. Again, a lot of beautiful elements there for you to use. And this is the back of that. This beautiful as well, Happy Day, which has a lot of stickers there. This one is also an ephemera pack, like this as well. So you will have a lot of images to cut apart there. And this is the back. And this is for the last part of the kit. So this is the front and this is the back. So these beautiful elements are all stacked up and are ready to go. and I cannot wait for the to send off the order, and I cannot wait to hear what you are thinking of, and what are your opinions about this kit. Just please let me know if you're also interested or maybe purchasing one of these kits. This is kit number 1, so remember that if you're interested, and if you're requesting one, just let me know. And enjoy the wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon with the kit number 2, and I have 3 kits available right now, so this will be up very soon. But this is kit number 1 is only available now on request, and I'll be sharing with you more goodies in the future projects. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.